Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss how we can export form entries in WordPress website. Here you can see on the contact us page a form that customers can fill this form. Now we want to export entries. Just go to dashboard, and after that, if the form is created with Elementor plugin, just you can go here in the Elementor and after that submissions. But here you can see there are no entries. Now again go to dashboard. Here you can see WP forms. Then go to entries. Make sure that you have installed WP Form Pro plugin. And after that click here to see entries. Now here you can see export option. Just click here export, and after that select the fields that you want to export. If you don't want to export any of the field, just you can uncheck that field. After that scroll down. You can also apply various filters. Here you can see date range and any other options. Just click here export file. So now select where you want to export, and after that click save. So guys, here you can see form entries are exported in CSV file.